welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to create this cut crease glitter eye makeup look, and it's a very easy step, and I'm going to go through this with you guys step to step so you can know how to do it on your own if you also want to do it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Keep on watching. I'm just going in my eyebrows with concealer. I'm just lightly cleaning that up. And I'm using NARS concealer in caramel. Up next, I'm taking the P. Louise eye base. I'm just going to apply some on my eyelid. I use this as a base to help my eyeshadow stay on longer and be more pigmented. So up next, I'm taking my Zulu palette and I'm taking the purple shade right here. And I'm just going to tap that onto my eyes. To this color right here, apply that on my crease very lightly. I'm blending that. Now I'm going to take this orange color right here, right above the pink. I lost a little bit of the pink, so I'm just going to go back and just apply a little bit of that pink right in between there. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm actually using the Maybelline eyeliner brush that came with the gel liner. It's very small and it's really good for cutting out the crease. So I use that to line it up properly, just give like a nice sharp line. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC 242 brush and just tap some of that concealer right on my lid. Then I'm going to go in with this yellow right here. And then I'm going to go in with this yellow and lightly just tap that onto my eyelid. So I'm going to apply some of the NYX glitter primer onto my eyelid, just a little bit. Lightly tap that onto my eyelid. I'll be using this glitter from Amber Rose Lashes, Lemon Drop. Up next, I'll be applying the Sigma eyeliner in Wicked. So now I'm going to apply the Amber Rose Lashes, and this is how they look like. So I already went ahead and primed my face. I'm going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Foundation. I'm applying that on my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush F80. I'm just going to blend that into my skin. So up next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Put a little bit on my nose and on my hair just to highlight my highest point, just a little bit. Then I'm using the same brush that I use and just blend that in. So now I'm going to take some of my translucent powder and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. I'm not baking, I'm just setting my under eye really quickly. I'm going to brush that off my face. I'm going to use my NYX bronzer and I'm going to use that to contour my face and just applying it a little bit right on my sides and my forehead. And just apply some of my nose. And I'm just applying some of the translucent powder on my sides to clean out my hair dryer to give me like a sharp look on the sides. I'm just going to brush that off. Taking my LA Girl powder, applying some on my face to bring back my natural skin tone. I'm going to go back and finish up my under eye and I'm applying the eyeshadow base on it, NYX eyeshadow base. I'm just packing on that yellow on there. So now that I applied the yellow, I'm going to go ahead and add some of that purple that I use on my crease. And next I'm going to take the orange color and just apply that right underneath that. Now I'm just going to take my mascara and I'm going to apply that right underneath. Up next I'll be taking my NYX Ombre blush in Soft Flush and I'm going to apply that right on my cheeks. So once I've applied that, I'm going to set both sides of my face and then I'm going to apply my highlighter. Now I'll be applying the Becca Champagne Pop. And lastly, I'll be using my MAC pencil in Nightmoth. I'm going to use that to line my lip. Then I'm going to be applying my Rebel lipstick. And then I'm going to be applying some of my Tarte Shape Tape right in the center.